Right, so everyone wants to start an online business, and there's all these products out there. It might be Shopify, it might be MLM, it might be Amazon, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, lots of different ways to get traffic. Facebook, Instagram, that's mainly branding. So after time, you get clicks, views, you'll get followers, and you can get sales from that. So you might have 10 followers a day, and then after maybe 10 years, you get millions of followers, and you make a lot of money. So part of making money online is learning how to be a good marketer. Um, Part of it's gifting, I suppose. Part of it's having a large email list. But after doing this for many years, decades actually, no matter what anyone says, it is about numbers. So it'd be great if you could spend 50,000 a day in Google Ads, or go on to Udemy and buy $1 million worth of traffic. But you can't do that because of your budget. So this is an old school method, dates back to the 90s, before there was YouTube, before there was any of these major platforms you can get a lot of traffic, and we do Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, things like that. Before there was any of that, there was mailers. Um, there there is still quite a lot of them. A lot of them are rebranded. So if you're looking for safe list mailers, you might not find them, but they're called viral mailers. So there's quite a lot of them. So you can subscribe, and you get more for your money. You're able to send emails basically from mailers, either by paying for it or by reading credits. So each mailer's different. Some of them you can send out emails every day or every week or every 3 days, and if you upgrade, you can do it a lot more often. There's one called Hercules, you can send it out every hour. So when you add up, if we go to Notepad, um, what's happening here? Um, I don't think I've searched it right. It's almost like this Google's trying to do it. Yeah, here it is. So on the wrong thing. So it depends on the mailer, on and how often you can send emails and how many subscribers that they've got. But just for example, Hercules, which is a mailer, it's 500 emails. Even out subscribing per hour, so that's quite a lot. You have to read the credits, but say you're doing it once a day, you can send out 500 emails, another one, 300, 400. On average, that's what it is, maybe 250. So you're adding up all these figures, and if we go to, even if we leave out Hercules, if we go to calculator, if it would open up, right. So on average, it's probably about 250. And then perhaps on that mailer, you can't send any more out until, some of them it's the next day, some of them it's 3 days, but you can do it once per day. So if you've done that, you can join 50 mailers, so you can send out 12,500 emails per day. And we're going the wrong thing here, we'll get rid of that. Oh, pause a minute. Yeah, so that's just in 50. There is quite a lot that you could join. So it's really productive joining them on this particular one, rather, webinsider.com. You can listen to the promo video, but we'll just go ahead and join for free. And then you start putting your name and email. So in that particular mailer, there seems to be a technical issue. So we can't do that one just now. So we'll head over to Hercules, and we'll take a look at, I need to log in this one. So there's a lot of ads. This is just someone's ad where it's quite good. They've got an opt-in page. You put in your email, you would say I'm ready, and then you would get added to their email list, so they would be getting you on their list. So there's a lot of paid ads on that, so you've got a lot of different options. They're a good marketing company, to be honest. They've got this page coming up, so it's a 3-hour eyeblass Hercules login ad. So when anyone logs into that, they're on their main page for 3 hours, and then you can send 120,000 emails at any one time, so you get to do that 4 times. And then they've got their buyer list, sending to people that buy products, and then you've got the prime 1,000 prime ad exposures and a lot of different, the blurb is really small kind of ads, and then you can get bombed, you can get it, or no thanks for that. So they've got a lot of different ads that you can actually pay for. So it's only $5.95. It's sent to 13,000 people, and then for $20 you're getting that. So they're and then you can get targeted fast traffic. There's another thing that's coming up again. So I think this is really good. Not that I've tried it yet, but I'm planning to get in actually visitors, because affiliate marketing, if that's what you do, it's all about numbers. I don't really care what anyone says. It's part of being a good marketer. It's part having a big email list, but to get to that point, it is about numbers. It's quite good that this site is offering to real visitors to pay for that on solo ads. Then it's really expensive. You can make a lot of money with solo ads if you've got the budget, the capital. So it's good, these mailers, that you can pay for it for a minimum cost, but also you can get it for free, which we'll show you how to do it. So you go to add mailers. This is to send the mails, and it's again, it's a lot of promotion. People have paid to be on that page, but and that's the blurb there. So we can just get rid of that if it lets me. Right, to close the first page to get this. So we've got 5 credits available, and it's saying here you need 500 credits minimum to send in that. One member reach every 2 credits. So if you can get 1,000 credits, then that goes to 250 people. So you put in your URL, your link, your copy, your ad really, and then the amount of credits, and you submit the ad. But we can't send it. It's good to maybe have 1,000. So this is how we would do it. We would go to ads, and here we have a list of ads to read. You might be thinking, well, people just go on, they read credits, they don't look at the ads, but they do. It's a lower percentage than sort of solo ads or Google ads, but it's maybe a couple of percent, 2% opt-in. But beyond the fact, you could join quite a lot of mailers, and to say you could be sending thousands of emails for free every day. So there's a good chance of building your list really, really faster than Instagram or Facebook. So you go here. Here's some ads. You could do what they say, or just click to receive credits. So that's someone's ad there, so you could look at it or just move on. And have to wait a few more seconds. And there it is, you've got the 40 credits. And then on to the next one. So come back later on when we've completed it. So we're nearly at the end of it. I'm not going to do 1,000 credits, I don't think. I'm going to go for the 500 and we'll show you how this gets sent out. So it's reading a few more credits here, viewing this website. This is how we done it the olden days and it still works. So there we're at 500. Let's work out how we get to this again. Add mailer. Continue. And then we'll come down here. We've got actually 500 credits, so we'll just put that in. And then we will go to our link. We've got here, this is the funnel, different links I use for different mailers, Instagram profile, etc. So this is called Hercules. Go to here, click on it just to prove it's a real link. There it's there. And then you would come down to link and then put it in, and then for the add copy you might just go to ChatGPT and then just copy it from there, and then just put in the name, David. Take that out if I can. Take that out as well. And that hey first name, the way that's wrote with brackets, that whoever that's going to, it actually says hey David, Karen, whatever their name is. It's built into a system that it will read that on the system. So you go to submit ad. Oh, I haven't put the subject line in, so it's the headline. I'll just choose one we've done before. Just do that one. Then submit ad. There it is. Ad successfully submitted to 250. Go back to mailers. On this one you can do it every hour, so it's really quite profitable if you've done it every single day for, maybe I can't do it 24 hours a day, but whatever time you're spending on your online business. So you could do that multiple times days. You could easily send it out to 1,000 people a day, and the way their system is reading the credits, it's not really slow at all. It's quite quick, and there's not just one mailer. There's probably hundreds. So there's a way of getting fast traffic to your website. If you want to take a look at our business, we've got a boot camp, a community like no other, and we'll see you there.